leaving Oahu, we thought, why not put together some scenic views we encountered on our drive around Oahu, eastern side of Oahu. Starting from Waikiki, stopping by Haleakala Beach, followed by our top bucket list event, the shark cage dive on the North Shore. After a shark cage dive, we decided to take a longer route back to Waikiki through this easternmost side of the island. Ocean to the left and clouds-covered mountains to the right. We kept driving and driving, not sure which side to capture, where to look, where to stop to soak in this unmatchable serenity. Hence, we took a break at Lai Point Wayside. It's a little detour to the left, but not so much, and it was worth it. Drove down from Lai Point, back on Hawaii 83. Decided to take some drone shots of shore at Kawa, some 10 miles from Lai. We wanted to keep driving further south and complete the circle, but it got dark. And there was no point on keep driving, so we shortcut back to our hotel, only to return the next day from the other side. Starting from Waikiki again, driving south this time, our first stop was Makapu'u Point Lighthouse. Continuing into Waimanalo Beach, walking on this softest sand and cool breeze soaking in all the Hawaiian energy. Nuuanu Pali Lookout, another stop on our way back to Honolulu. One of our final stops on this beautiful island of Oahu. So I thought, why not? Let's make a few more drone shots.